Now, these are the ingredients. That's braised beef. The beef soaked in water so that the blood goes out into the water. After that, you drain the water, and this is the blood drained off beef. This has to be done a couple of times so that most of the blood goes out. Now that's the beef after that process. Now these are the other ingredients: hoisin sauce, sweet soy sauce paste. These are the spring onion, Chinese star spice, Sichuan pepper, fennel seeds, and that's the Chinese spice. And that are the bay leaves. Under that, that's the bay leaves. That's dry chili, red chili, cinnamon, orange peel dried, and that's ginger, star spice,
2 cloves,
and 2 cloves. Apart from that, there is cooking wine, light soy sauce and dark soy sauce.
soy sauce,
Add spring onion. This is cooking on the moderate flame. 4 pieces of garlic.
teaspoon like this.
Add hoisin sauce,
Yeah.
1 teaspoon,
It's to give a flavor.
and it gives flavor to the dish. Boil water,
Yeah. Use boiling water from inside.
boiling or hot water, just to cover the items inside the pan.
I use this too.
Increase the flame so that it boils,
Yeah.
and when it starts boiling,
Then cover.
reduce the flame to be very small and cover and cook it for 1 hour. Yes. Now it's boiling
Then
perfectly.
cover.
Now cover it
Cover it.
and reduce the flame,
Reduce flame.
preferably up to 300,
800 to 300.
300
My
centigrades. Now this is boiling for last more than half an hour. Another half an hour let it boil like this with very slow flame, and keep it covered. Now this is after 1 hour of cooking. That's how it looks like.
Now ready.
Very tasty looking. Now place the cooked meat on this plate. Cut the meat into slices.